What's going on, everybody? Russell here. MedicMagic. Today is, what day is it? What is that? Today is Wednesday. Today is Wednesday, the 3rd, in Western Pennsylvania, and we are being hit with a heat wave. It is a gorgeous 23 degrees outside right now. The wind's not blowing, and it's not snowing. We're gonna take this time and this opportunity to see if we can get the S2000 up to the shop, and we're gonna meet Teddy up there and do a little bit of work to his car and put a downpipe on his car. Here she is right here. It almost looks like my wheels and tires are white or like silver, and it actually looks really, really good. I'm gonna try and see, hopefully this thing starts. Oh yeah, it works like a dream. Now there's no snow up there, but I'm still gonna hit this real quick. I doubt it's just gonna start. Oh, come on baby. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Come on girl. She wants to. I'm gonna have to get some fuel. All right guys, so the car is cleaned off. We are ready to rock and roll. All right, so we made it up to the fantasy factory here. We got Teddy Westside in there. He's like, aren't we gonna do stuff to my car? Anyways, Dave's brand new Honda Ridgeline over here threw a code, so we gotta see what's going on. So we brought the S2000 up here. What do you expect me to do? There's some snow over here. Of course we were gonna do some Christmas donuts, you know, but man, this thing looks really good sitting here. But anyways, you guys are in store for some general nonsense tonight. We're putting another downpipe on, an Apr downpipe on Teddy Westside's car. It should go a lot smoother than the last one because we already know what we're doing.
But once you get that out, it pretty much just, you yank it out as hard as you can. But you'll see all that in a minute.
Teddy, why are you in here talking to yourself?
Because I've been here for an hour and you just got here.
Triggered.
Yes, very much triggered.
I feel like we should be playing dubstep with this on. So we need to get this going, get this rocking and rolling. This downpipe, start making more boost. What was your code?
PO 498.
What's that stand for?
PO 498. That's
your PO box.
Emissions.
Ooh.
Yep.
They're all the same, so you can just
thank you.
grab whatever.
No, you didn't put any Visine in any of these, did
you?
Yeah.
I'm the coffee guy.
I wonder if he's getting kickbacks from that.
I know.
That thing's not off yet.
I'm like, just a bit too big.
Oh! So we're making a lot of good progress here with the Apr down. The real question is, why is there so much,
What?
like...
Why is my car so perfectly clean in this wintertime?
No. Why are you at hoverboard status right here?
Oh, I know, it's bad. It's real bad.
There's a lot of just hanging going on. It's,
you know, hey man, that's what we do after.
We need to break out the Segway and start doing some hot laps. You guys want to see some Segway hot laps? All right, well, I think we're thinking about getting some Honda Groms. Ben, you could take Ben could take his Harley, trade his Harley, and get 2 Honda Groms, I bet. Honestly. How's it going, Daddy?
Daddy, how you doing over there?
I can't wait till your video gets like 4,000 views and you make money off of it while I make
Trigger!
Oh man, you see that display? It's all cheesy and all. Whoa, that is sweet.
That's probably the new year edition.
Oops. Oh, I'm getting an 18 tomorrow.
Is that a promise?
I think that would be pretty funny.
Are you making promises on the channel?
Yeah. I'm getting a Grom tomorrow. Twist off Thursday. You know, it's got that.
I bet we can get real good at riding wheelies in
I'll
here.
be straight piping that shit.
Wet the concrete down, start drifting, some cones in here.
You could definitely have like a little track set up in here. They probably closed at like 5.
What are you doing?
Getting the Honda Grom.
4. Not me. That guy.
You getting her, Teddy?
Yeah.
Get it.
Get her, Teddy.
Oh yeah, she's out.
Nice.
Teddy, we're in the middle of watching videos here.
Oh,
Teddy, you getting a Grom?
thanks for that.
Once the car's built, I guess.
That was very nice.
It's fine.
What's up, dudes?
They can have all kinds of shit.
It's not gonna matter. So, word on the street is you're getting a Honda Grom tomorrow.
Yeah, going to pick it up. It's gonna be sweet.
Did he just say that for real? He's not. Are you? He's not getting one. You getting one?
I'm getting one if you're getting one.
He didn't say that first time he said he's getting one.
I'll pick it up whenever you and Ben get one.
So there it is. There it is. So let me know what you guys think, Honda Grom gang. Things are going really well again. Teddy's doing a great job. We get the podcast set up yet? So are you buying one tomorrow?
Grom?
Yeah, 100 Grom.
I'm not going to make any promises to the internet that I'm not going to keep, so.
Twist off Thursday.
I'm just going to keep that one to myself.
Teddy screwed up here, and hold on, let me save you, Teddy. Teddy's having some issues.
So we do need that.
So remember that bracket I told Teddy to take off? You need to put this back on.
Oh my god. Which way does it go?
Teddy's about halfway done with the pipe install. I'm just really curious to see what it sounds like with the exhaust that he has on it. It's gonna sound good. It's gonna sound better than the what I got going on. All right, so Teddy's having a little bit of problems because he has this aftermarket exhaust on it, and there was an adapter going from the exhaust to the stock downpipe with the cat, and now it is seized. And Teddy is running around like a madman because he's trying to get to AutoZone before 9 o'clock, and it is 8:30, and it's a half-an-hour drive. I can't believe Apr didn't give you the part you need. Should we take them with us? You guys want to go with us to the store? All right, you guys can come with us. Let's go. All right, we'll be right back, Ben. So we're here at Auto Parts, Advanced Auto, no, AutoZone.
AutoZone. Perfect, thank you.
Advanced Autos. Oh, this is where we were last time.
Yeah, we need 3-inch. I don't need 18 inch.
So why are we here, Teddy?
Okay, so
Who didn't give you what you needed?
APR didn't give me, no.
Are
They
you
gave
serious?
you everything you need, but
No, they didn't.
essentially APR gives you this, say this is a 3-inch to a 2.5 that goes from the cat to your stock exhaust.
Yeah.
Well, I already have this way from my stock exhaust going to my stock cat. So now I need to eliminate these two thingies and just have one pipe.
Here's where it's really stuck.
All right, well, Teddy Westside 412. Again, don't follow him.
Never gonna get
Nobody knows. People are like, do you guys actually like Teddy or do you not like Teddy? Like,
people, they always do the opposite of what you say. So
Yeah.
if you say don't follow,
Yeah.
they're gonna follow.
I need to ask you a question. This is real talk. Why are half of your videos out of focus?
Well,
Oh, mine. Yeah, I know. Because
Like
I
what?
shoot it and it looks focused on here. And then
Is there something wrong with the camera or the lens?
well, I just learned how to do the focus. See, I got this fancy camera. I don't know how to.
I just set mine to auto.
put it all on auto.
Are you on like manual?
See, this is what happens. See, like right
You're
now
in
it says
P.
I'm on portrait, but I was on auto earlier.
I
Dial
don't think
just
that stands for
spins.
portrait.
No, that's gonna be for something else.
That doesn't stand for portrait, Teddy. Oh my gosh, that does not stand for portrait.
What's that stand for?
It's not portrait.
You got A.
Program AE. It means
You
I
program
don't
yourself.
do it automatically, bro.
Put it in
just
the one.
slips there.
Oh my gosh, put it.
It's on auto.
What is-
Whoa. I just got this.
All right, well, we got everything going. We're about to cut a pipe. We're about to get this downpipe on here, and I'm really excited to see what this is going to sound like with the AWE exhaust with the APR downpipe. Because if this sounds amazing, I'm probably going to. Man, my hair looks ridiculous. What? What?
I should have used a ruler to cut that because the line is just. It's not straight.
If this sounds really good, I might be convinced to buy an AWE exhaust. Or what I was thinking was me and Ben would just buy a muffler somewhere and then make a custom catback. I'm gonna make a compilation video. You just put chapstick on. There you go, Teddy. Work it.
My family
Cross,
doesn't know
get to
I have
bed.
All right, guys. So we're unboxing what's going on here. Thank you for everyone who's still sticking around for all this awesomeness. We literally had a what was he, Ben? The cable guy comes in. There's a vet sitting here. This truck's sitting over here, and he goes, "We're sitting at a desk over here." He goes, "What do you guys do here?" And we're like, "We don't know."
Nobody knows what we do.
No.
We just make videos.
If anybody knows what Hoonigan actually does, we're very curious. But there's only like 5 shirts for sale on the website.
No, they got a bunch more stuff.
No. They got a bunch. We need some desks with computers and workers. You need some safety glasses on. Whew. Oh, here we go. All right, well, Teddy Westside is gonna try out the Segway. Just jump on. Ah! Praise Jesus! Oh, he's going. He's got it. Oh, you got it. You're good.
You look way too back. There you go. Watch out, Russ. He will sting the shit out of you.
You think so?
Oh, he definitely will.
Oh yeah, so you want? Did I get him?
Oh man, oh, he's half alive. Get him again. Oh!
Oh, look at that cut.
Man.
You just look at it. That concentration. Go ahead and work her, Teddy.
All right, quick update.
Trigger.
I'm so tired.
Quick update. It's like 1 o'clock in the morning. We're still up here working swanky hours. We're just trying to make power. All right, guys. So Teddy Westside 412 has finished his exhaust. We're waiting for a startup. We're going to see how the AWE. We're going to see how the AWE exhaust sounds with the Apr downpipe. Here we go, guys. Oh, fuck yeah.
Way louder.
Doesn't sound bad at all. Rev her up, Santa.
Finally so loud.
Rev her up. That sounds good, man.
I like the little chop at the end.
It sounds good. All right, my battery's about to die, so we're gonna end the video right here. Thank you guys for watching and sticking around for all this nonsense. I don't know how long this video's gonna come out to. We've been filming for the past 5 hours.
I think we did too much YouTube today.
We YouTubed too much today. So anyways, give me a thumbs up, thumbs down, drop me a comment, let me know what you guys think. Subscribe for the more content to come. Anyways, we'll see you guys later. Stay swanky. Anything, Ben?
Freaking tired, man.
Ben's tired. It's like 1 o'clock in the morning. We're tired. And I'm hungry. All right, guys. Thanks for watching. Peace. Yeah.
Well, I guess maybe a Z4.
Yeah, there's Z3, Z4. All right, well, Teddy got his parts. Hopefully they work.
$30.
$30 for a piece of pipe. So, man, this S2000's getting a lot of love today. Or it's getting a lot of love. All right, so we'll see you guys.
Show them how well I fit in this. Yeah.
Not very well. All right, we'll see you back at the shop.